This is my 2003 S10. I had done a previous video about a drop that we did. It was the Groundforce 9921 3-inch drop. I wanted to show you guys the tire wear, just because there had been a couple questions. So let's go ahead and we'll look at the wear. So I'm putting a link down in the description of where to find the drop kit. Also, there's some links for some social media, some shirts that are car related that you might like too. So go ahead and take a look down there also. And subscribe and like and all that stuff. So I have about 26,000 miles on these tires. I had switched them out right when I dropped the truck. I had 225 sorry, I had 225 70-15s before. These are 215 70-15s because the 225s rubbed a little bit, but we'll go ahead and that much right there and that much right there. You can see it's probably about twice as deep in the front, but it's still not terrible for 26,000. This is the driver's side front. I'll go ahead and switch to the passenger side. So this is passenger side, and I wanted to preface that I have not rotated these tires at all, so that's probably part of it. And yes, there's lots of cracking, and I can see that. That's why I'm doing the video now, is because I'm just about to go and replace these. But as you can see right there, right there, so it wears on the inside just a little bit more. Something you can see on this one is right here, it wears pretty hard where there's no definition between the actual tread. So 26,000 miles. I don't know why this side did wear more, probably because I didn't get it aligned and everything, but it's basically what you can expect, is that kind of stuff when you lower the truck. But like I said, I'm gonna go replace these tires with some same 215 70-15s. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.